Behind a door on the climbing wall you will find a control valve with 2 levers, and if you've bought a 240 volt wall there will also be a control box. These valves raise and lower the wall. The control box is used to start the motor. On a 12 volt wall there is no control box. The motor starts when the valves are moved. We'll start the wall by turning it on, checking the emergency stop switch has not been pushed in, and pushing the start run button. The power on light will light, and by pushing the start run button you will hear the pump commence. Having checked around the wall to make sure that no one is climbing on it and there are no things laying against it, I can now push up the left hand lever and you will see the middle box start to rise. The wall has now reached the top of its travel. I can insert these pins, 3 each side, to secure it. Once they are in, I can then lower the wall about 5 or 10 mil and it will rest on the pins. We can now start the wall up again, or on a battery wall go straight to the lever and raise the top section. Lift the lever. Now insert 3 more pins either side and the wall will be almost fully erected. I'll use the auto belay, or I could use a rope with a belayer to protect myself at this point, and will climb with my feet no higher than the first ledge. Having put the pins in the top section, I can now restart the wall and by using the right hand lever lower it onto its pins as the middle section. Turn off the wall, put away the cable if it's mains operated, or in the case of battery, just shut the door and the wall is ready for use. There are also overhangs on the top box, and I will demonstrate how to put those in and out on a box at floor level. Should the wall fail to start and no power is indicated and yet you know there is power available, or power is indicated and the wall still fails to start, check the following. Is the emergency stop button pulled out? Is the wall turned on? Have you pushed the green start button? If you need to open the box to check the fuses inside, it's important to turn it off before using the key supplied to undo it. In the box you will see a number of resettable trips, 3 here and an easy to miss one here. These should show red and this should show dark blue. If you attempt to open the door before you turn this switch off, it will break on the inside. There are no other user serviceable components in this box. Having slid away the leg, it's very important that both the pin and the linch pin are securely in place to avoid it sliding out whilst travelling. Push the leg in, fit the bolt, fit the link pin behind it. The leg is now secure. Notice when the wall is completely dismantled, every pin has a hole, every hole has a pin. If there's an empty hole, you've probably mislaid a pin. hope the video you've just seen has reassured you that the Highline climbing wall is an extremely easy piece of kit to put up and take down. Thank you for your interest, and if you've got any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.